Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn with Virali. I'm Virali, your guide on this coding adventure. In today's video, let us learn how to display emojis in your HTML web page. So let's get started. So this is the kind of the emojis that we are trying to display or show onto our HTML web page. So first let us understand what are emojis and how are they treated in your HTML web pages. So first, emojis are again characters from the UTF-char set, which is also called as a UTF character set, wherein these are the emojis which can be identified using different types of hexadecimal or decimal values, making sure we are able to showcase the correct emoji in place along with the appropriate content. Now, emojis definitely look like images or icons, but actually they are not. So they are just the letters from the UTF-8 or a Unicode character set format. So to display the HTML page correctly, a web browser must know the character set used in the web page. Now this character set is going to be actually specified in your meta tag, which is meta char set equals to UTF-8 in our HTML blueprint or HTML boilerplate code. For example, let's say if we want to talk about displaying A. So A can be displayed as a numerical value consisting of value as 65, displaying a capitalized A, and so on, which will help us to display certain characters, or if we are interested in displaying emojis, we can use an appropriate values for those emojis. So let's jump back to our code and understand how can we also display these kind of images into our HTML web page. Okay, so now let us understand how to use these hexa values in our code to display the emojis in our HTML web pages. So first, we need to have a meta character defined in our HTML web page, as we just discussed, as in it should specify the character set that it accepts, making sure that it accepts a unified character set as in UTF-8. And now jumping back to the body tag, wherein we can use a p tag to just use these hexadecimal values for us, which can help us to display these kind of images in our web pages. So if you remember in our previous videos, we had used something called as NBSP, specifying an appropriate space for spacing our characters onto our HTML pages. So here, in order for us to show these contents properly, as in show these emojis a little bit bigger in size, I have used a font size which is equal to 75 pixels, making sure that images are appropriately visible, as in the emojis are appropriately visible, and I have used certain different hexa codes here. As you can see, 128, 512, then 128, 513, 514, and 540. So this is gonna help us to display the kind of emojis that we are looking for, as we have seen in our output window. I hope this video was insightful, and follow for more such videos. Until then, happy coding.